Good morning, everyone. Today, we shall discuss about the novel named as The God of Small Things by Arundhati Roy. The novel was written in 1996 and it's a debut novel by the writer which got published in 1996, winner of Booker Prize, but the Booker Prize was given to the writer 1997. First of all, we shall discuss about the characters of the novel. Here, the Ayamanam is the setting, is the place where the novel gets set, and the characters are as follow. First of all, we have Istha, brother of Rahel. On the other hand, we have Rahel, who is the sister of Istha. Actually, these are fraternal twins, Amu's children. Next character, we have Papachi and Mamachi. These are the parents of Ammu and Cheko. Ammu and Cheko are brother and sister. Like Ammu is the daughter of Papachi and Mamachi, and Cheko is Ammu's brother. Next character we have Baba. Baba is a person who is married with Ammu, but finally he dies and Ammu has affair with an untouchable. So basically the novel revolves around this concept of untouchability. Next character we have Cheko, who is Ammu's brother, and Cheko is married to Margaret. So Margaret is Cheko's wife and Sophie is Margaret's daughter to Cheko. Next we have Joy. Joy is the second husband of Margaret. And the next character we have Velutha. Velutha is a worker. It's not a work but a worker. Velutha is a worker who is untouchable, and this is the thing which is the central point for the novel. This untouchability which is made by we, like by the society, by the patriarchy, is a central idea where the focus is given in the novel. Thomas Matthew is the police inspector which is called by Baby Kochamma, and Baby Kochamma is the grand aunt of Rahel and Ristha. So Baby Kochamma is the spotter of patriarchy. So when she come to know about the idea that Valutha and Ammu are in affair, they are in relationship, so she may complain against Valutha. So it is Baby Kochamma who is patriarchal spotter, and she calls to Thomas Matthew, a police inspector, complaining against Valutha. So now we come to the next thing. After the discussion of characterization, we have plot. It's a debut novel by Arundhati Roy, the critically acclaimed piece of dramatic literature. It was published in 1996. Set in Ayamanam. Ayamanam is now a district in Kerala, India. And if we talk about the title of the novel, like The God of Small Things, so here the God stands for colonizer. And who are the colonizer in the novel? It is the church, society, culture, and institutions. Every character in the novel which sports to patriarchy is God. While keeping in view the title of the novel, every character who sports to the patriarchy is a God, and small things here are unknowingly follow these rules made by society. Like जो patriarchy ने, society ने, culture ने, institutes ने जो rules बनाए हैं, to follow them blindly, that is small things. Even the writer herself states it's not a book about India, it's a book about human nature. It's a story about the childhood experiences of fraternal twins whose lives are destroyed by the laws made by patriarchy. So what kind of laws are here? There are love laws. Who should be loved, whom should be loved. So the thing which is really disgusting here, it is a patriarch, it is a society who makes rule, who makes love laws, which uh, like young generation has to follow. And it's not an easy task to follow the rules made by, especially the love laws made by the patriarchy. But novel also explores as a theme कि if someone doesn't like to follow the rules made by the patriarchy, then how they are punished by the society. Whose living example we have the relationship of Velutha and Ammu. The book explores how the small things affect people's behavior in their lives. Like देखने में तो चीज़ें छोटी हैं, these are small things, but actually what a big change, how a great change these small things bring. That is the basic theme which is depicted in the novel. In a society concerned with big things such as the caste system, guys, the caste system is not a small thing, it's a big issue. But the thing which should be bring in the mind, that is this caste system. Who is the maker of this caste system? Who has made this caste system? We like we people are the person who has made this discrimination. We have made the society. It means we are the rule makers. And how these big things like caste system, political affiliations, and marriage, Roy directs the reader to the small things. These can be small creatures. These small things can be small creatures and their activities, the whisperscry of small lives, as well as secrets, promises, sins, and other emotional creatures that people don't want to acknowledge. All of these things seem to have no place in the lives of the characters like baby Kochamma. As I already have told you, this baby Kochamma is patriarchy spotter. They want to strive for, like these big people, like these social constructors. Culturally significant ideals like these high people, you may say social constructors, expect an honorable family and a noble political life. Because small things are shunned, they must find refuge in dark, secret places like the river and the history house, or the hearts of those willing to nurture and protect them. So, guys, it is basically about the title and characters of the novel, The God of Small Things. Thanks for watching.